Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 7 best cocoa powder for brownies available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion research and customer reviews. We've considered the cacao powders for their quality features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews, okay? Starting at number 7. We have the Navitas Organics Cacao Powder. If you're looking for a great tasting cacao powder that's made with the highest quality ingredients, Navitas Organics is an excellent choice. The Fair Trade certified, USDA organic powder uses unroasted, non-alkalized beans that are chock full of antioxidants and minerals. Each 2.5 tablespoon serving contains 700 milligrams of flavonols. The rich cacao flavor mixes well into your favorite recipe and can be used as a 1-1 substitute for cocoa. The nutritious powder is also non-GMO, kosher, gluten-free, and vegan. Plus, the powder is free of potentially harmful ingredients or nutritional impediments. For example, Dutch processed cacao is washed with an alkaline solution of potassium carbonate that helps to neutralize the natural acidity for a more mellow flavor and give a darker chocolate color. This process reduces the amount of beneficial nutrients in the cacao powder. Number 6. We have the BetterBody Foods Organic Cacao Powder. While cacao powder is less processed than typical cocoa, it also usually comes with a larger price tag. If you want to reap the benefits of cacao powder but want a more budget-friendly product, BetterBody Foods Organic Cacao Powder packs a nutritious punch at an affordable price. The USDA organic, non-GMO powder tastes great and offers the same amounts of fiber, magnesium, and vitamin C as comparable products for a lower price. This powder is a smart swap for cheaper cocoa powders as it contains a great chocolatey taste with protein, antioxidant flavonols, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Number 5. We have the Thrive Market Organic Cacao Powder. Adding a superfood like cacao powder to your recipes doesn't mean that you have to pay a fortune. Thrive Market's organic cacao powder is another budget-friendly option that meets all top-quality cacao criteria, just at a lower price. It's USDA organic, ethically sourced, vegan, and gluten-free. Commonly referred to as food of the gods, cacao powder is a truly powerful ingredient that can boost health and taste heavenly. This affordable option is easy to enjoy. Simply add it to your favorite baking recipe, sprinkle it onto yogurt or coffee, or blend it into a smoothie. Number 4. We have the Healthworks Cacao Nibs. Chocked full of plant-based antioxidants, dietary fiber, iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, low in carbohydrates, and free of added sugars, these all-natural and organic cacao nibs have a rich dark chocolatey taste that makes a great addition to your favorite dessert, baked goods, smoothies, granola, and smoothies. Sustainably harvested from Peruvian beans, these Healthworks cacao nibs yield a deep and intense flavor without the sweetness and artificial ingredients of traditional milk and some dark chocolate. They are vegan, paleo, and keto-friendly and provide a natural source of energy-boosting ingredients. Great on their own as a snack or blended or cooked into a wide range of recipes. At number 3. We have the Navitas Organics Raw Cacao Nibs. With a name derived from the Latin word for energy, Navitas, these natural, organic, cacao nibs are a superfood packed with energy-boosting and nutrient-dense goodness. Whether you're looking for a healthy and rich chocolatey tasting ingredient for your next batch of brownies, a nutrient and energy-boosting mixer for your morning oatmeal, or an antioxidant boost to your favorite smoothie, these Navitas Organics Cacao Nibs are a versatile ingredient for any home cook. The product is 100% organic, non-GMO certified, and fair trade, naturally gluten-free and vegan. At number 2. We have the Terrasoul Superfoods Organic Cacao Nibs. Nutrient-rich and derived from crumbled Criollo cacao beans, these flavor-packed nibs are a healthy substitute for highly processed and sugary chocolate chips and make a great topping on a variety of sweet and savory recipes alike. These keto-friendly cacao nibs from Terrasoul Superfoods are naturally fermented and dried at low temperatures, which removes phytic acid, creating a smoother and richer-tasting natural snack. The product is third-party lab tested to ensure only the purest natural ingredients free from heavy metals make it into the bag. Plus, they're safe quality food and non-GMO certified. Number 1. We have the Viva Naturals Organic Cacao Nibs. Made from Peruvian Criollo beans, these nutrient-dense, all-natural, non-GMO organic cacao nibs are a naturally gluten-free and vegan snack that can be used for a variety of baking, cooking, and snacking needs. Made from Peruvian Criollo beans considered food of the gods in Mayan culture, these Viva Naturals cacao nibs are a healthy snack that is full of beneficial ingredients. Polyphenols contribute to cardiovascular health and lower cholesterol, while minerals like magnesium, calcium, chromium, and iron offer a variety of benefits the body needs to operate optimally. Theobromine is a stimulant-free energy compound that doesn't give the crash that caffeine does. Whether for baking, snacking, or blending, these organic cacao nibs will become your new guilty pleasure. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.